The solution technique used to solve elliptic equations should A. Allow each point to be influenced by its boundary side neighbors. B. Allow each point to be influenced by its west neighbor. C. Allow each point to be influenced by its east neighbor. D. Allow each point to be influenced by all its neighbors. The correct answer is allow each point to be influenced by all its neighbors. Which of these is the prototype elliptic equation? A. Incompressible irrotational flow. B. Incompressible rotational flow. C. Compressible irrotational flow. D. Compressible rotational flow. The correct answer is incompressible irrotational flow. Under which condition does the inviscid steady flow become elliptic? A. M1. B. M1. C. M1. D. M5. The correct answer is M1. The solution of elliptic equations depends on A. One of its boundaries. B. All its boundaries. C. Its opposite boundaries. D. Its adjacent boundaries. The correct answer is its adjacent boundaries. The characteristic curves for an elliptic system are A. Real and imaginary. B. Both real. C. Both imaginary. D. Both zeros. The correct answer is both imaginary. Which of these statements is true for elliptic equations? A. The solution can be approximated in some of the points. B. The solution can be marched from some initial conditions. C. The solution at all points must be carried out simultaneously. D. The solution process should be carried out simultaneously for some region and then marching can be done. The correct answer is the solution at all points must be carried out simultaneously. Which of these are correct for an elliptic equation? A. There is no limited region of influence or domain of dependence. B. There is no region of influence or domain of dependence. C. There is no region of influence but there exists a domain of dependence. D. There is no domain of dependence but there exists a region of influence. The correct answer is there is no limited region of influence or domain of dependence. Which of these flows is mathematically elliptic? A. Transient viscous flow. B. Steady viscous flow. C. Steady inviscid flow. D. Transient inviscid flow. The correct answer is steady viscous flow. Which is an elliptic equation? A. Wave equation. B. Transient heat conduction. C. Transient heat convection. D. Steady state heat conduction. The correct answer is steady state heat conduction.